अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सारा मकदम है और मैं नूर मकदम की बहन हूँ. First of all, I just want to thank everyone for all your love and for all your support, for all your prayers and your du'as from around the world. Thank you for helping us. Thank you for giving us courage to go through this tragic time in our life. The Maqaddam family is truly very grateful to each one of you. Noor was not just my sister, but she was my best friend. She was the most beautiful person, both inside and out. It is very hard to imagine a life without her. हमारी जिंदगी से, हमारे घर से वो नूर चला गया है. But we can stop this from happening again. No one in Pakistan, no family should have to go through what we're going through. Please come and show your support on September 22nd outside the press club at 4:30 p.m. to show your support for Noor. Please raise your voice for Noor so she gets justice. Please come and stand with Noor.